What is the fine-tuning argument? The fine-tuning argument says that the laws and constants of physics are balanced on a razor's edge for life, which is best explained by a designer who intended life. Dozens of physical constants and initial conditions must fall within extremely narrow ranges for a life-permitting universe to exist. The probability of this occurring by chance is infinitesimally small. The multiverse hypothesis is an unobservable, metaphysical speculation that itself requires fine-tuning. Intelligent design is the most straightforward explanation. He stretches out the north over the void and hangs the earth on nothing. Do you know the ordinances of the heavens? Can you establish their rule on the earth? If gravity had been stronger or weaker by 1 part in 10 to the 40th power, then life-sustaining stars, like the sun, could not exist. Robin Collins. Cover America with coins in a column reaching to the moon. Then do the same for 1 billion other continents of the same size. Paint 1 coin red and put it somewhere in one of the billion piles. Blindfold a friend and ask her to pick it out. The odds are about 1 in 10 to the 40th power that she will. John Lennox. A common-sense interpretation of the facts suggests that a super-intellect has monkeyed with physics, as well as with chemistry and biology, and that there are no blind forces worth speaking about in nature. Fred Hoyle. The remarkable fact is that the values of these numbers seem to have been very finely adjusted to make possible the development of life. Stephen Hawking. The entire universe is balanced on a knife edge and would be total chaos if any of the natural constants were off, even slightly. John Lennox illustrates the extreme improbability with a vivid analogy. Cover America with coins stacked to the moon. Then do the same for 1 billion other continents of the same size. Paint 1 coin red and hide it somewhere among the piles. The chance of a blindfolded person selecting that single red coin is roughly the order of magnitude for some of the fine-tuning parameters. The Story of Everything and Stephen Meyer emphasize that this is not a God of the gaps argument. The fine-tuning is a positive feature of the data that physicists themselves describe as requiring explanation. William Lane Craig presents the data showing that if the strong nuclear force were slightly stronger or weaker, or if the cosmological constant were altered by even a tiny fraction, life would be impossible. Frank Turek often notes that the fine-tuning is so precise that it is comparable to hitting a bullseye the size of a single atom on a target, the size of the entire known universe. The common-sense inference, as even the atheist astronomer Fred Hoyle admitted, is that a super-intellect has monkeyed with physics. The argument rests on well-established physics rather than speculation. The values of the gravitational constant, the strong and weak nuclear forces, the electromagnetic force, the cosmological constant, and numerous other parameters must lie within extraordinarily narrow ranges for stars, chemistry, and life to be possible. These are not minor adjustments. Many of the required precisions are measured in parts per billion or far smaller. The data themselves are not in serious dispute among cosmologists and physicists. What is disputed is the interpretation. Chance is not a credible explanation once the probabilities become this extreme. The multiverse proposal that our universe is only one of countless others with randomly varying constants is an attempt to restore chance by multiplying the number of trials. Yet the multiverse remains unobservable in principle, requires its own set of finely tuned laws to generate the ensemble of universes, and functions more as a metaphysical postulate than a scientific hypothesis. It does not eliminate the need for explanation. It relocates it. design, by contrast, is the ordinary inference we draw whenever we encounter specified functional order of this kind. The fine-tuning of the universe is not an absence of knowledge waiting to be filled by future physics. It is a positive feature of the physical world that points beyond the physical world. It invites the conclusion that the constants and laws are as they are, because a rational mind intended a life-permitting cosmos. The Christian theist recognizes in this the work of the Creator, who prepared a habitation suitable for his image bearers, and who continues to uphold all things by the word of his power. What is the fine-tuning argument? The fine-tuning argument is that the laws and constants of physics are balanced on a razor's edge for life, which is best explained by a designer who intended life.